guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eduardo and today I want to do something I don't usually do, which is cook. And that is because I want to try this new ingredient called Omni Meat, which I found at the supermarket, which is a plant-based pork alternative. So many of you may know Impossible Burger, Beyond, which do a lot of like beef replacements for burgers and sausages. But this is a pork alternative, which I've not tried before. This is it. It has more iron than pork, for example, and calcium. And it's only made of mushrooms, peas, soy, and rice. So it's healthy for the planet, healthy for you. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just letting you guys know because I think it's really cool that all these companies are coming out with meat replacements that taste exactly like the real thing, are just as healthy, and don't have the same impact on the environment. So time to get cooking. I'm gonna split the plant-based pork in half, and on one side I'm gonna make a kind of a mixed mince with onion, fennel, pepper, parsley, nutmeg, and salt. I'm also gonna make a patty just to show you how versatile it can be. I forgot to say I added some breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese to the meatball or patty. You can replace that with vegan cheese as well if you want. It's all the same. Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you. Okay, so I'm done. The minced meat came out really well. It's delicious. The fennel fits really well. The patty was okay. The chickpea water didn't bind the patty that well. Remember. The mint is delicious. The patty is so good.